Hi everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Many people ask what's the best way to lose fat, cardio or strength training. It's a popular question, and a good one. People want to know the fastest way to reach their goals. This essay will explore the science behind fat loss. We'll look at cardio and strength training, we'll use examples to make it easy to understand, and we'll give you practical tips to try. Get ready to learn how to lose fat and feel amazing. Chapter 1: What makes fat disappear? To lose fat, you need to understand calorie deficit. This is the cornerstone of weight loss and fitness. A calorie deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. Essentially, it's about balancing the energy you take in with the energy you expend. It sounds complicated, but it's simple. Imagine your body as a bank account. Calories are the currency. If you spend more than you deposit, your balance goes down. Similarly, if you burn more calories than you consume, your body weight decreases. You need to burn more calories than you eat. This can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. Eating nutrient-dense, lower-calorie foods helps reduce your intake, while physical activities like running, lifting weights, and group fitness classes increase your calorie expenditure. Think of your body like a car. Food is the fuel. Just as a car needs gasoline to run, your body needs food to function. The calories in the food you eat provide the energy your body needs for everything from breathing to running a marathon. If you put in more fuel than the car uses, it gets stored away as extra weight. Similarly, if you eat more calories than your body needs, the excess is stored as fat. This is why it's important to be mindful of your calorie intake. To lose weight, use more fuel than you put in. This means engaging in regular physical activity to burn calories. Activities like running on a treadmill, lifting weights, and doing high-intensity workouts are effective ways to increase your calorie burn. When you're in a calorie deficit, your body needs to find energy. It starts to look for alternative sources of fuel. This is where the magic happens. Your body begins to tap into its stored fat reserves to meet its energy needs. It turns to stored fat for fuel. This process is known as lipolysis, where fat cells are broken down to release energy. Over time, as your body continues to use stored fat for energy, you begin to see a reduction in body fat. This is how you lose fat. By maintaining a consistent calorie deficit, engaging in regular physical activity, and making mindful food choices, you can achieve your weight loss goals and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, fitter body. Chapter 2: Get your heart pumping. Burn that fat. Cardio is any exercise that gets your heart rate up. Think running, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Cardio burns calories quickly. This helps you create that calorie deficit for fat loss. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a super effective type of cardio. It alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and brief recovery periods. This method can lead to more fat burning, even after your workout. Chapter 3: Build muscle, torch calories. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle. Lifting weights is a common example, but you can also use resistance bands or your own body weight. Building muscle is key for fat loss. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. This means your metabolism gets a boost and you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Chapter 4: Which one wins? Alright, so let's dive into the big question. Cardio versus strength training, which one wins? This debate has been ongoing for years, and it's time we break it down to understand the benefits of each and how they can complement each other. Well, both cardio and strength training are super beneficial for fat loss. Cardio workouts, like running, cycling, and swimming, are excellent for burning calories and improving cardiovascular health. They get your heart rate up and help you shed those extra pounds. Cardio, you see, burns calories directly during the workout. The more intense the cardio session, the more calories you burn. It's a great way to get your sweat on and see immediate results on the scale. On the other hand, strength training builds muscle, which increases your metabolism and helps you burn more calories in the long run. When you lift weights, you're not just burning calories during the workout, but also boosting your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll continue to burn calories even after you've finished exercising. So instead of choosing one, why not combine both for amazing results? By incorporating both cardio and strength training into your routine, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. Cardio will help you burn fat and improve your heart health, while strength training will help you build muscle and increase your metabolism. Trust me, your body will thank you. Not only will you see better physical results, but you'll also feel more energized and healthier overall. So lace up those running shoes and pick up those weights. It's time to get the best of both worlds. Chapter 5: Combining Cardio and Strength Training. The best workout plan combines both cardio and strength training. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for improving cardiovascular health, burning calories, and enhancing endurance. On the other hand, strength training, which includes activities like weightlifting, resistance band exercises, and bodyweight workouts, is crucial for building muscle, increasing metabolism, and improving overall strength. By integrating both types of exercises into your routine, you can achieve a well-rounded fitness regimen that maximizes the benefits of each. A balanced workout plan includes both cardio and strength training. This combination not only helps in achieving a toned physique, but also supports better heart health, stronger bones, and improved mental well-being. Cardio workouts elevate your heart rate, which is essential for cardiovascular fitness, while strength training helps in muscle growth and maintenance. Together, they create a synergy that enhances your overall fitness levels. Here's an example of a weekly routine that balances both cardio and strength training effectively. This plan ensures that you get the most out of your workouts without overtraining any particular muscle group. Monday, strength training, focusing on the upper body. This could include exercises like bench presses, shoulder presses, bicep curls, and tricep dips. Upper body strength training is essential for building muscle mass and improving functional strength, which can help in daily activities and other forms of exercise. Tuesday, cardio with 30 minutes of high-intensity interval training. HIIT workouts are known for their efficiency in burning calories and improving cardiovascular health in a short amount of time. These sessions typically involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. Wednesday, rest. Taking a rest day midweek allows your muscles to recover and prevents burnout, ensuring that you can continue to perform at your best for the rest of the week. Thursday, strength training, targeting the lower body. Exercises like squats, lunges, leg presses, and calf raises are excellent for building strength in your legs and glutes. Lower body strength is crucial for overall stability and power, which can enhance your performance in both cardio and strength workouts. Friday, cardio with 30 minutes of steady-state exercise like jogging. Steady-state cardio is less intense than HIIT, but is great for building endurance and maintaining a healthy heart. Whether you prefer jogging in the park or running on a treadmill, this type of exercise helps in improving your aerobic capacity. Saturday, rest or active recovery, such as yoga or light swimming. Active recovery helps in reducing muscle soreness and improving flexibility without putting too much strain on your body. Activities like yoga can also enhance your mental well-being by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Sunday rest. Another rest day at the end of the week allows your body to fully recover and prepare for the upcoming week of workouts. This is just an example, so feel free to adjust it to fit your fitness level and preferences. Everyone's body responds differently to exercise, so it's important to listen to your body and make modifications as needed. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, combining cardio and strength training can help you achieve a balanced and effective fitness routine. Remember to stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process of becoming a healthier and stronger version of yourself. Exercise is crucial for fat loss, but nutrition plays a huge role. Remember the calorie deficit? You need to eat fewer calories than you burn. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function properly and support your workouts. The best approach to fat loss is one that you enjoy and can stick with. Listen to your body. Don't be afraid to adjust your workout routine or diet based on how you feel. Finding the perfect balance between cardio and strength training, along with a healthy diet, will set you up for success. Losing fat and achieving your fitness goals is a journey. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But you can do it. Remember to focus on both cardio and strength training, fuel your body with nutritious foods, and listen to your body's signals. Now go out there and make it happen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Love Emotion Equation for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.